Apple cider vinegar is said to have been used by Hippocrates for treating wounds, healing sore throats, and coughing. Today, apple cider vinegar can be used to cook, clean, and most importantly, to improve our health. Recent studies shows that vinegar can fight against bacteria, kill bacteria, or prevent them from multiplying in your body. Apple cider vinegar can help lose weight naturally. The idea here is that you can quickly remove abdominal fat with this great trick. I guess you actually want to know how apple cider vinegar can actually help you lose weight. Well, we got you covered in this video, so make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm going to be sharing with you apple cider vinegar detox and weight loss recipe. 1. Suppress your appetite. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar is an excellent product if you want to suppress your appetite, and it provides you with the means to lose all of those extra pounds naturally and without a lot of effort. It just makes it easier for you to get the value and help you may need. Definitely water short if you want to boost your weight loss routine. 2. Rapid weight loss. Apple cider vinegar has lots of enzymes and organic acids which help to eliminate carbs, increase the rate at which you burn fat, and allows you to boost your body's metabolism. This helps shed the pounds fat without a ton of effort, and the experience is a rather delightful one in the end. But be careful, losing too much fat at once can be a bad thing. So, approach this in a proper manner. Figure out which one is the best option for you to focus on. 3. Apple cider vinegar for detoxification. A lot of people use apple cider vinegar for fast weight loss, but the primary benefit is also to detox as well. Detoxing your body is extremely important because it helps to improve the functioning of the liver, as lots of toxins tend to accumulate all the time. With a good detox, you get to remove all those unwanted toxins. It also contains insoluble fiber, which helps to boost the bowel movement while also absorbing those toxins fast and easy. Most of the time, people ask, how do you take apple cider vinegar to lose weight? Well, the answer here is simple. You just have to use it in your diet the best way you can. Now, I'm going to share with you 2 apple cider vinegar and detox weight loss recipe. Before then, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to be the first to get notified when we upload new videos like this. For this recipe, you're going to need a glass of warm water, 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, preferably reg apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of organic honey, 1 to 2 slices of fresh apple, which is optional, and lastly, 1 pinch of cayenne pepper. With all that, all you need to do is to mix all the ingredients together. Stir properly and drink warm. You can take this 2 times a day till you see better results. Or you can simply add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to half cup of water, or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to 1 cup of water. Drink before meals at least 3 times a day. As we all know, too much of everything is bad, so be warned. Do not take concentrated or too much of apple cider vinegar because taking too much of it can cause delayed stomach emptying, indigestion, throat burns, skin burns, drug interactions, low potassium levels, reduction of tooth enamel, and much more. Also, if you are pregnant, before you take this drink, make sure you consult your doctor.